In today's modern fleet, vessels have diverse cleaning needs, and at Schomberg, we've engineered solutions to meet them all. From massive tankers to intricate offshore platforms, every vessel has unique hull structures and challenging areas that require tailored cleaning. Our technology includes various sized Vacu-Carts that adapt seamlessly to different hull areas. Whether it's cleaning a broad surface or maneuvering in tight spaces, we have the right cart for the job. For intricate sections and niche areas, Schomberg offers specialized tools designed for tight, compact spaces. These niche tools reach places where biofouling thrives, like the rudder, sea chests, and bulbous bow. Our system not only adapts to the vessel's structure, but captures debris at the source. This ensures that all waste is contained, keeping surrounding waters pristine and compliant with environmental regulations. Schomberg Technology offers flexible, comprehensive cleaning solutions across all vessel types, from massive cargo ships to luxury passenger liners. Tailored, efficient, and eco-friendly, Schomberg's specialized cleaning technology is built to enhance your vessel's performance while protecting our oceans. Schomberg, innovating hull cleaning for the modern fleet. Clean hulls, cleaner seas,